I don't want to see any deliberate punches to the back of the head, and protect yourselves at all times. Touch gloves. Good luck, lads.
Baka na ulit par bago tayo manood po par no ng mamaya no game na ulit no ng ating Hinebra at saka Tocantex mamayang alas 7 bago yan par no bago natin panoorin mamaya. Ito muna ang panoorin natin par, talagang nakakahanga por no. Yung pong nakikita par ang dalawang par no talagang magkamukha par kasi nga mag-ama sila par no. Naalala nyo ito po si Ricky Hatton par no. Yung nalala ito po ang tinalo ni Manny Pacquiao nung naglaban sila par. At syempre par, itong katabi niya ay ang kanyang anak par no, 23 years old. Ang gandang-ganda po ng record par no. Talagang kung yung nasundan ang kanyang stats niya, yung boxing career. Meron po siyang 14 wins at saka 0 record. Pero par, ang nangyari nung nakalaban niya pong una niyang nakalaban si Jimmy Joe Plant no. Taga United Kingdom din. Pareho silang United Kingdom par no or British ito par. Ito po si Jimmy Joe Plant par. Ito po ang unang nakapagtala ng unang talo no kay Campbell na anak ni Hatton. Talagang napakasaklap no. Ang ganda ng record pala ng anak ni Hatton par. Talagang napaka-fighter. Kung mapanood niyo mamaya no. Kung mapanood niyo mamaya ang kanyang mga laban para talaga sa kanyang ama par, talagang napaka-fighter, talagang sumusugod no, talagang matapang. Pero ang nangyari par, nagiging back to back pala ang kanyang talo par dito kay Jimmy Joe Plant par. Talagang naglaban sila ulit noong March 23 par no, March 2023. Talagang muli pong natalo par no si Campbell Hatton. Kaya par ang saklap nun par no, talagang nagiging back to back po ang naging talo po ni Hatton. Kaya po naging usap-usapan no kung ipagpatuloy pa ba ni Campbell Hatton ang kanyang boxing career. Kasi nga nung na-interview ang kanyang papa no, ayaw sana ng papa niya na maging boxer ng kanyang anak no. Ayaw niyang mamana niya ang naging karanasan niya no, or ang kanyang naging trabaho as a boxer. Pero dahil sa naging hilig din ng kanyang anak par no, ang pagiging fighter no nakuha sa kanyang ama, kaya po talagang nagiging boxer siya par. Naging maganda naman ang kanyang record par, talagang 14-0. Pero pagdating po kay James Plant talaga, kaya pa ang naging nangyari par no, talagang naging back to back po ang talo niya no. Pagdating po kay James Plant no, talagang napakasakla par. Kaya po ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kanilang laro par no, ang kanilang laban no, paano po nangyari no ang unanimous decision po no para po kay James Plant. Kaya panoorin natin par no ang kanilang rematch no noong March 2023 par, kung paano po nanalo sa unanimous decision po no si James Plant par no laban po kay Campbell Hatton. Ayan par, panoorin natin.
I don't want to see any deliberate punches to the back of the head, and protect yourselves at all times. Touch gloves. Good luck, lads.
You go back to your old habit. On the inside when they're in clinches and just to wriggle his way free, and also as Flint moves towards his left with the right hand to be disciplined. Many times in his career did Ricky Hatton have to deal with cuts and persevere, and now Campbell's knows the body shots being asked for by Barry Smith in the corner. There's the right hand from Campbell Hatton over the top. There it is again. You better hurt Flint there. Big attack there from Campbell Hatton with more than a minute to go. Here we go, Flint's corner.
Spinning his work over there. Trying to get not just those Hatton to get close. Good work there from Hatton again.
Yes, I'm doing well. It's just when you get finished punching. Job in the corner on that catapult.
You know what's made the difference, Mike? He's just picked up his feet a bit.
More in 6 months being around those big names that he has done in the rest of his career put together as he lands an over.
Hands me two-piece. But I got you two it all over the place. That's really important, isn't it? Because you see the mistakes are being made.
Off balance there, maybe, but Flint is jumping on him. Also stay a good uppercut on the inside from Flint. Picking these shots back this year with successes for Terry Harper.